What's something this tax year that stands out compared to other tax years in the past?
One thing I've noticed that's different from last year is the high increase of the disability tax credit. The disability tax credit is a credit in event that due to an injury or this disability, you're unable to perform your working duties, is a credit that you can claim. You can claim it for a blood member. You can also claim it for your spouse. One thing I've noticed is the high increase of mental stress that people are going through, which has caused them unable to perform their working duties. So a lot of clients that we service, upon reviewing their taxes, I always review a client's taxes last year just to see how it was filed, just to see, I request for a notice of assessment. If there's any carry forwards, we'll carry forward to the following year. We're also looking for gaps. And if I see there's a large gap, that's when we start asking questions. And a lot of clients, we get a response back, Mark, I took time off work. Why? Mental illness, stress, right? And not just them, but their loved one. Mark, I took time off work. Why? My child. My child is going through this. My partner is going through this. And it's in the area of the mental illness. And they're unaware that these are tax credits that can be claimed. In order to claim the disability tax credit is a form that you give to your doctors, and your doctor would fill it out to see if you're eligible. I'm surprised as to how many of these clients were eligible for this credit. I'm surprised as to how many of the clients, their children in the teenage and the young adults where they're forced to care for them are eligible for this credit. So that's one thing I've noticed. I haven't seen a large sum of the disability tax credit being used prior tax years, very minor. But this tax year, a lot of clients are becoming eligible of a disability tax credit. So if you feel you're in that area, that box where you had to take time off work due to mental illness, you had a loved one, and you did not claim the disability tax credit, and you want the form to give to your doctor to see if you're eligible, your therapist, your psychologist, right, to see if you're eligible, then reach out to us within the social accounts that you're watching this right now and request, just DM us, indicate that I'm requesting a disability tax credit form. Have that form filled out first if you're eligible for it. And that form also, the doctor will indicate how many years back you can go. If you're eligible for that, then we can proceed to preparing a T1 adjustment to your taxes. And it is a large credit, so it is worth the time to do that. And not just that, some of these forms, the doctor can indicate that this is a mental stress that's prolonged for the next how many years, in which it allows us to use the tax credit for the following future years. So yeah, it's one of the things I've noticed.